Hello you guys and welcome back to Awesome Club, and this is now a part final. So I already did Spain, Malaysia and France. And then probably next time on my video I might do Italy, Japan and Australia. When I get time, okay? So I'm gonna do like men's, France. So probably next time on the video I might make the one from 3 arcade version, because I remember when I played MotoGP arcade, I remember they have many tracks from the arcade version one. So when I would get to make that video next time on the other one thing. So let's do one. Okay. Keep catching them up. And to catch up. Yeah, come on. Come on. Oops. Okay, I'm in 19, 18, 20 just before, but now I'm in 17. Yeah. Come on. Okay. We 12 place, 13. Now I'm in 12, 11, and 10. Apple. Okay. Keep catching them up. Oh, BMW power. Wow. This one's a very cool car. Man. I'm in 9. Come on, keep catching them up. Okay, I'm in 7th place. Gotta catch them up. Else I'll end up losing. Okay, go catch up the other one, quick. Catch out the bad one, quick. Oh, I'm very close. Cause I came 7, then I got happened, so I can't even do it. Okay, you guys, if you enjoyed that video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time video. Probably next video, I'll be doing 3 tracks from the arcade. I'll do Miko, MotoGP, and the Phillip Island on the next time video. Tomorrow video, I'm gonna make the Mustang racing car. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!